Back to our channel. This is JPK and Kannon-ball's gaming. Oh, you took it all the way off. All right. So we've played a lot of Madden. I haven't had much success, but we're going to try a different type here. A different type of Madden today. Cannon, what are we going to do?
Hail Mary only.
Hail Mary only. All right. So we're just going to throw Hail Marys. That's it. I'm going to be the Falcons with Matt Ryan. And who are you again? I forgot.
Saints.
The Saints, Drew Brees. So we're just going to throw it.
Thomas.
And 3-minute quarters, we're just going to see who can throw at the defense. This actually is even harder for me because he's better at catching deep balls and I'm not. So here we go. Hail Mary only. 3, 2, 1. All right. Game
the Super
on.
Bowl again.
We're playing the Super Bowl?
Yeah, the first time ever I got the ball.
I'm kicking off to you. All right.
For the first time
Chance for me
in forever.
To get a turnover on the first possession. Maybe
What happens if I get a kick return touchdown?
I guess you get a kick return touchdown, which is about to happen. Nope.
That's
All right.
That's like the 5-6 step.
All right, so I got to decide if I'm going to stay in deep coverage or come after you. So there's still a strategy to it.
No.
Sure there is.
But you can't scramble up. Okay.
No, you can scramble. You just got to throw it. You just got. All you do is call the play. Like you can do it however you want. If you want to scramble, I don't care. No, you're better at that than me. All right. Let the games begin.
Probably not going to be that much picks. I already caught it.
And we're off to a rousing start, 34 yards. All right. I'll try to stay above the line. That's good.
I caught it on the first play.
A lot more to go. We'll see what happens. A little edge blitz this time. We're looking nice and close. Not a Hail Mary.
Well, it's in the Hail Mary.
It's in the Hail Mary. All right. Well, it's in the Hail Mary.
Yeah, see, save call.
Okay. Oh. I guess you can call it.
Well, it's in the Hail Mary thing.
Fine. You say so.
Ready, set, poop. I caught
See,
it.
this is where I'm not very good at going up and catching.
No, it's kind of easy.
I know it's easy for you.
Well, all you do is change to the person.
All right, now you still got to do goal. Even though you're close to the goal line, you got to do Hail Mary.
Drew Brees has his X Factor activated.
That's great.
You don't have an X Factor. That's save clock fade.
The end? Oh, they called it a touchdown.
That's save clock fade, which you can do too.
Great, I look forward to that. Now you can go for the extra point. You don't have to go for 2. Oh, booth review. See, we got his feet down.
Yeah, I know.
It'll be close. I think
Upheld.
you. Okay.
I don't have, but I can kick an extra point, right?
Yeah, you can catch one. You don't have to go for 2.
Yay! Actually, that'd be right.
All right, good. Well, predictable start. 2 minutes in, or a minute and 20 in, and easy touchdown drive for you. But now it's mine. Let's see if I can make the Hail Mary.
That sounds.
Yeah.
I'm gonna beat you by it.
Probably. See, I like to run, and we'll see if that works. I can't run.
You're not. You're not.
All right, I didn't fumble, so
Good job.
good start for me. All right,
Yep.
out comes Matt Ryan. If your arm's loose, Matt, we're gonna heat
Okay,
it.
what's happening? What's happening?
We're just talking about great quarterback, how he's about to have the game of his life.
He's been to the Super Bowl once.
Yeah, and it went well for 2.5 quarters.
Yeah.
And we're over 1.
And
See, that was a deep post.
What just happened?
I don't know what happened.
What? Look.
Just on 31.
Yeah, but it's like
Oh, the
what?
blue line? Yeah, that is weird.
It's not. That's not supposed to happen.
Yeah, long ago. All right, second down.
Oh.
Which of these 3 plays am I going to run? I see you have your
Man up here.
deep defense. I'm rushing 4. Well,
I'm
those
rushing
are out.
3.
You like to throw. Didn't get a first down though.
I'm rushing 3.
Yep. All right, third down and 2.
They're down forever.
Do I want to do it? Like I can do it. I can scramble with Brian if I want to. You got man under halves coverage. I can see that.
I don't even know what that means.
Yeah, well, it's all right. And I threw it into coverage and got the. It means you had 2 deep safeties and the guys underneath your thing.
Oh, you knew what I was doing, but you
Yeah, still threw it to the wrong guy.
No, you threw a pick. You didn't throw it.
Well, I don't want to throw it to you because you're on the other team, so you're the wrong guy.
That
so
makes
therefore, I put it to the wrong guy.
Okay, that kind of makes
I get hot into this. Well, I don't have a mask on. I lost my mask. Well, if I had a mask, can't find my mask anymore.
Which one?
See, oh, incomplete. Finally.
Are you pipping?
I'm just saying, like, this mask isn't, it's camo, so you can't see it. It's disguised. Oh, man.
Oh.
Weird. Very strange occurrence.
We don't know what's happening.
All right, we're about 3rd and 10. I actually have a chance to get a stop.
Ow, I hurt myself.
Shouldn't hurt yourself playing a video game. That's what it shouldn't. And we're 1-on-1. This is bad for me. Oh, I knocked it down.
Why do you not go for it?
I don't know.
Why do you not
Press buttons.
Why do you not play ball? You
What did I do?
You swap.
Well, hey, I'm just happy that I got it. I got it.
Okay.
You may need to get one more, huh? You're gonna have to get a 4th incompletion. All right.
I know exactly one. No matter what, I know who to pass it.
Okay.
Drew Brees, don't take sacks. Okay. That's who I'm passing it to. I dropped both.
Oh, wow! I got to stop.
I dropped both the passes that I should have caught.
So let's go to that Hail Mary.
Yep.
Here we go. 40 yards away. Chance to tie it up. Let's keep it interesting. That's my goal. Just keep it interesting for a little while.
That's not.
Oh, almost.
See? Wait, what?
I may not complete a pass.
Technical difficulty.
Yeah, that's really weird. Good at this.
Technical difficulty.
I may not ever complete a pass.
At least on this.
Today, as we observe from this. We're going up, going for it. You got a man.
And you dropped it. No, you caught it. You just didn't get your feet down.
Oh, it's close.
I was confused.
We got 3rd down. I could not figure out how to fit.
Okay, I thought you were allowed to keep
When
it.
in doubt. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was nice. Oh, if I can keep him in bounds, I can get a 1st down. All right, now I can think about a field goal. Where am I at? No, we're not here to kick field goals. We're not.
And you have to do
I need
it.
2 yards, and I got to do a Hail Mary.
Can we make a deal?
No, it's going to do this. We're doing a Hail Mary the whole game.
No, but no. On
What?
4th down, you have to do either goal post or the Hail Mary.
No.
Fine.
That wasn't agreed upon.
I'm just.
Don't worry, I'm doing the goalpost.
Yes, no, you dropped it. That's better for me. He's.
What kind of challenge? Oh, I thought he was like making the power. I couldn't even tell. Well, that was a wasted opportunity.
Sometimes the defense actually forces you into these things. Sometimes what happens is you might end up in a man coverage where they press up.
I get it? Yeah! Alright, I figured out the aggressive button is Y. It only took me like 6 games to do that. So
Yeah.
now you're in trouble.
That's the aggressive.
So it's still Y? Well, just press it. Something good happened for me. So
Well, if you don't press anything.
I'm gonna press no,
Ooh. So now.
let's get this. That's a 4-man. I was trying to script.
I meant to do a 3-man.
Oh, he's playing guitar.
Like me.
That's 1st quarter. Alright, hanging in there.
Not really.
I'm only down 7.
Well, I caught like 3 here. You caught.
Pretty sure they only do it based on. That's good. Happened there. Picked off.
Wait, what if I get a pick 6?
Then you score. Oh, nice tackle,
Thank you,
anyone. Play the game for me. Anyone makes the tackle.
Shoeless tackle. That's what always happens.
Let me see this time. Okay, in another minute, we're going to turn it off.
I know what I'm doing.
You know what you're doing. Oh, you one of these 3 plays, you got to scout it out.
Why did Drew Brees lose?
Ooh. That should be good. That's good. Look at the defense. Oh, man, if you get a...
That guy's not. Drew Reed, you should be disqualified. Actually, it's not your fault. Your receiver that you threw to is very slow.
Oh my god. Oh yeah! Completion.
I'm about to slap.
You can't say it. You just cut that out. I'm turn it off if you do that again. You can't say that out here.
Why?
But you can.
I'm so intercepted. I get the 20-yard line.
Well,
Yay! 20-yard line. He twists it out.
Yeah.
I can't get the ball. Why can't?
Right, break the tackle. Let's go. This is a new challenge.
Why can't I get a pick?
I'm so sorry. You only got one so far. 4 left.
You got like 5. I
She
caught
needs to learn.
probably 1 pass.
I only have like 2 completions and you have 6.
That's lucky. You have like 6 picks.
Come on, come on. Did I get it? Intercepted again.
That's only 2. That's only 2.
No, you only have 2. So you don't like you don't get to like just get interceptions. I mean, like, you throw them to your plenty, but it's not. You quit throwing them the interception. And the blitz didn't work.
And 6.
Oh, let's go. We gotta figure out this defensive thing. If I can get in the end zone though. Oh, I'm so close.
Defensive.
I got it late.
Hail Mary.
I know. I got a Hail Mary from the 8.
I know you're doing the same thing.
The shot said clock. You think so? Still in your coverage zone. Deep coverage. Oh.
Why'd you do a Hail Mary?
I was just trying something. I don't know because you thought it was gonna be the safe shot, safe
Well,
clock
what?
thing.
So that doesn't mean the back I complete it.
Mr. Interception, you don't want to interest me. Alright, here you go. If I could ever time one right, this isn't even any good.
I can't tell which guy is running the.
Well, good. The strategy. Alright, so it's 3rd down.
Oh, I can. 81.
81 is running out
They're
right.
not ready.
You got him covered? 81?
Flag.
I went out of bounds. Is that what they're going to call? Illegal touching. They say I went out of bounds. I say I was pushed out of bounds.
Well,
But I can't challenge that. I'm not going to go for a field goal. I am going to. As much as I hate to do this, my offense is inept. I got to get points.
You think you're
You know what inept means?
exactly.
Bad.
I know. I knew what that means.
Not capable of producing much.
Well,
Alright.
I've thrown like 50 picks. And
And you're still at 7.
I know.
But I can't get shut out, so at least I'm on the board.
I'm trying to take it to the house.
Yeah, the best way to score is to get an interception and turn it for a touchdown.
Or
I almost did. Or a kickoff return. All right.
I got to a 28-yard line.
Yeah, we'll both be happy.
What do you have?
You didn't score.
There's a pretty good chance of that.
I guess your best chances to.
Something really different.
Everybody get the talent crowd quiet. No, 73 everybody. I'm not really getting out block. There's another one!
How much picks do you have? Like 28?
I think 7. Remember that one game when I threw you, like, we were playing a regular game and I threw like 8.
Well, still.
This is part of this
That
game.
wasn't like a whole game.
We're 81, so you're going to watch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Watch number 81. If I could ever throw it soon enough to keep him in bounds, I could get some. 4 of my 5 completions are on that play.
You probably have like 28.
28. I think I have 28 interceptions.
Very good. And
Hey. It's pretty likely. But here we go.
You caught
Did I catch it? Caught it. But I'm not in the end zone. Well, you had like 0 pass rush. So you need to get after your defensive line.
I can't control it.
You should choose.
I don't know.
I'm looking so well on the backside. Got time. He's rolling right. He's looking. Is anybody open? He throws.
Interception.
Get him to me. All right, good. About what time? Yeah? Is that when they're coming?
What?
I'm going to get Annabelle at like 5.
When they coming?
Or about 6 o'clock.
The Saints offense on the field, ready to get their drive started. Well, what's the plan of attack here? Very late second quarter, and look where the ball is.
Smart.
You?
No 90-yard gains. Get him.
Yay!
Can't even watch. Here,
If
listen.
I can't do a goal post without any Hail Marys getting hit.
It's going to put up this one. Ow! Stop.
Daddy, I'm proud
I'm not proud. Yeah. Can't tell. I don't want
It's
you
on
to get-
pro.
I know. That's why the game's a lot more even. Ish.
Yeah, we'll just do that the rest of the game. Maybe we'll just do that the rest of the game.
I heard you.
Yeah. Well, what do you respond?
What am I going to say? Yeah, I'll do it. Sure.
Yeah.
Way to go.
Yeah, say that.
Whoopity-doo.
Now you're gonna make you fumble and return it to the house.
No, I'm not down. Whatever I get, I'm going to
Yeah, you can't take it up.
I can't on the return.
I was about to say you can't take a knee when you're not.
I can, well, yeah. Well, you can
You
still.
go.
You can take a knee when you're not in the end zone. Do it.
You do favorite.
You get a fair catch. Or, oh, I guess you can't make them. I guess in this game you can't make them take it. All right, can I avoid a turnover? I'm getting the ball back at least, so if I could score.
Not that we really.
Okay. Well, we got a man in the middle. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's go. Okay, let's go. All right. It's almost like it's a punt. But
Don't worry, you're gonna get a pick on this one.
not impossible. I don't like suggestions. Special. Cool.
But you're about to do special teams, and I'm like, okay.
The Saints offense on the field, ready to get their drive started. And with time quickly fading here in the second quarter, not sure how aggressively offensively they want to play this.
Here I come. I like it when I blitz and I run right into your line. No. Woo! You've thrown 5 interceptions.
That's a lot.
Here's 2nd and 10 now from the 29.
Risky, misky, disky.
Oh no. Let him have it. You get it?
Yeah.
1 second left. You can try a field goal or you can go for it.
There's 2 seconds left.
Whatever. You have 1 play left.
Where am I? Oh, I'm at the 29.
Mm-hmm.
46.
Very makeable. Very far. You got it.
Miss.
You got it.
It's crossbar.
Short, he said.
Uh,
Ooh, that was close. NFL kickers should kick that far. Why would they not?
I know. That was perfect.
All right, new quarter.
That was perfect. Apparently, you can't make it. If not, that's it. It would be realistic.
Let that go.
It's Super Bowl with only Hail Marys. Last time I did a zone blitz on. Oh, you're flipping the play.
Ooh, let's flip the play. Watch out.
Oh, not really. Wait.
Hurry. Got two sections. Going deep for this guy.
And you're gonna
There's coverage
pick it.
everywhere. Oh. See, I've thrown 6 interceptions, and you say I'm not throwing any interceptions.
There we go.
Can you see, buddy?
Yeah, kind of.
Because that was a take what you can get situation.
Beautiful.
Got out to the tight end. Now it gives a much
Okay,
better
so
opportunity to convert on 3rd down.
I went down.
What just happened?
I hit the. I was trying to. I hit the slide
Wait,
button.
can I
for some
replay
reason.
this?
Yeah, you can replay it. I hit the slide button.
What just happened?
I was trying to. I guess I thought he was running, so I slid down. Like I was trying to hit. Like I guess I've never done it before, but there you go.
Whoop!
All right, I gotta decide if I want to punt it. I might as well just go for it. So let me intercept it.
Yeah. Or if you catch it.
Best thing for you would be to knock it down.
Yeah.
The thing for me would be either you intercept it or accept it. Can you see Mr. America there?
Wait. Okay.
I like it when I get like right in my mouth instead of my thing moves in my mouth.
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Here we go on fourth
Come
down
out.
with Ryan.
We're looking. We're going deep.
What's happening?
Going for the whole thing. We're gonna be aggressive. And
What happened?
woohoo! I caught it.
Deep into New Orleans
But the question is, can I score?
Fourth down
So this
conversion
is
plays,
tough.
you usually think 1, 2, 3 yards, maybe 10. Not there. What a huge
You better hurry up. Here I go.
as the sticks make a drastic
You got your
shift
guy?
forward.
Actually.
From the red zone now, here's Ryan on first down. This is caught for a Falcon
Game
touchdown.
on.
Justin Hardy.
Game is on. Get ready, number 14. Get on fire up.
As his guys are back
You
with a single score.
I put it up here. I gotta go Hail Mary if I get two. I didn't mean to do that.
Now the offense going to use the first of their timeouts. That'll leave them
I
with
am
2
gonna do it.
remaining. We'll be back after this.
No, I don't think so. Well, it's too early. I mean, it's only one possession. Right here. Good thing is, it's only having 3 plays. At least you can't.
I know you can
Falcons up to go for 2.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
You're doing shot. Hey, you're not.
And he's got it. So the try for 2 successful.
And he's good.
I am pooping.
Field goal. I guess the coach looked at the 2-point
What?
cheat sheet, said go for it, get into a 3-point game, and they did.
Yeah.
And sometimes you just
Naughty.
throw out time of game. You
But
don't
I'm
Those
worry
people
gonna
that get fired
bring this.
up.
I'm gonna bring this back to the power
You
six.
felt good about where
Okay.
they are for a 2-point conversion, and now they're only down
The
3
5-6
and feeling
guy.
great about
Bringing it
themselves.
back.
This one taken just inside the 10.
I saw that.
8-yard line.
5'6" guy just got. He was just 10 feet high right there.
Look at Drew.
Boom!
What's that weird thing?
Player spotlight. And
Boom!
package
Boom!
All right, this could be an exciting finish, everybody.
I was about. That was. Oh, that looked like it
Offense on
hurt.
the field, ready to get their drive
Oh, Michael
started.
Thomas has his
Time
X
that they were on the
factor.
field. Little demoralizing. Missed
Yeah, that
field
means
goals. Always feel
one
like
in,
trying to get
on
in the end
one
zone,
coverage.
but
When I do an aggressive catch, he's guaranteed.
Here it comes.
But it's
Does
fixed.
test the
Did I get interference there? That's something. Oh,
How
great
is that?
coverage.
How's that not pass
Getting better at this game.
interference? How's that not pass interference? No, like he was right here and he stopped him
That
from
position.
moving.
Referee, he didn't want to reward you for knee.
You need that guy
What?
to make the big kick for your team to move on or to
The
win
ref
the game.
can't.
Make sure you keep him happy. Make sure you keep him comfortable.
I'm sure you all
Hooray!
right?
You know,
That's why we're here.
Yeah,
Good.
I always
Going
do
out.
because those guys,
I don't like it.
they want us a whole lot.
Anybody likes?
Under a minute
My
to
dog,
go
he
in
likes
this
it.
third quarter as they come up first and
I
10.
don't know what player control this is.
Breeze is thrown.
See, you
Target
do
to
it at the
Cook.
time and you get it. Oh, a huge game. Number 87 is killing me.
That's Jared Cook. He's old.
Well, he got a 98-yard touchdown. And that's
That's gonna net him 23.
Actually, it was a 90-yard touchdown.
One of the advantages of zone defense is I
What kind of
remember
defense
being able to
should've
see the play develop in
Huh?
front of you.
what kind of defense should have been running the whole time.
They find those
Do you know what I'm doing?
hit you with it. Some
Yeah. Okay, that's not.
Sucking your booty. Oh, sorry, I got it. Get him. Oh, you got it.
That counts. That
How
counts.
many yards did you get? 6?
That
I just
counts.
destroyed.
That counts. That counts.
And 72 comes along.
It does some ballerina stuff.
Before the quarter breaks.
That counts.
Let's play the quarter. All right, one more quarter to go.
That counted.
Looking for the Hail Mary upset. Do I need a Hail Mary? I do.
It's been a very hotly contested
It's been a bad
game.
defense, though.
Just
Bad
a field
quarterback.
goal separating these two teams as we get set for the fourth
Maybe.
quarter. On second down and 4, Breeze. And he'll get
All right, it's
to the
almost
10-yard
impossible.
line. His
Hopefully they do
huge
cover
night
2, but
just
then
continues as he's now north of 200 yards receiving. Tell you what, he's been able to put the ball in some tight spots all game
Happening over
long.
here.
That throw, no different.
Yeah, a lot of people would call
I'm
it
doing
Dixie
some
type of
jazz.
I think he looks at it as
I played you jazz.
it's not that big of a deal to me.
On a face! 20!
20 didn't even move. 20 just stood there like I was trying to get control of it.
This is my celebration.
And the Saints able to stretch that lead out further. And when a Hail Mary is completed for a touchdown pass like that, I think any defensive coordinator just puts their face right into their.
You get on the play.
No.
I don't think there's any doubt about it, and I don't have stats in front of me.
Technically, you can't go for 2 unless you go for 2. You can't. You can fake it. You're violating our rules. And we go for lose. It's okay though. I have the fake defense on, so if you want to fake it,
The biggest mistake they make is that they play everything from behind the receiver. I think they've got to start getting people in front as well to try and knock the ball away.
So the drive there took 6 plays.
What are you doing?
And it ends with a
It's my
touchdown
celebration.
for New Orleans.
You playing the flute?
No. Why
No?
would I be playing the
I don't know.
flute?
I'm unsure of what you were doing.
True.
I gotta get my headband on. This game is
True,
on.
but not true.
This is field
Unlike
goal
Donkey
yards
Kong.
deep. And the decision to come out is going to cost
I like Donkey Kong. I like
I need 2
Donkey
touchdowns in the
Kong.
next 2:27.
Good
I think I
job.
should throw a Hail Mary.
So
Me
Matt
too.
Ryan of the offense, down by
Let's
10.
do cover 4, drop, contain.
You want to contain me so I don't scramble out and slide down?
Yeah, cover 4, drop, contain.
I'm going to walk to the right. Nobody there. I'm going to run it. Whoa! I got more guys than you do. Can I catch it?
Yes.
I did. I'm getting better at this thing. Got 247, 1 touchdown and 6 interceptions. Other than that, Matt Ryan's not having a whole that's
How much yards do you have?
243.
Wait, I wonder how much Drew Brees has. Let me see.
Can we see it?
Wait, Drew Brees has 270, 72.
Trying to figure out how to get
So
the
we're pretty
ball
close.
to the playmaker that you
Down to
just
10.
described. Looking
Can't
down at
convert
that sheet,
me,
you find people plays, not
What's
necessarily
up,
X's and
Dad, I'm
O's.
proud of you. You
What
haven't,
play it is?
Dad, you haven't fumbled this game yet.
I know because I don't run the ball.
Dad, you gotta throw it early.
I know. Why can't I be sure that your defender's out of the way?
Well, my defender was nowhere near him.
Thanks for the advice, coach.
I'm your coach.
Get that in the window. That's
No.
terrible.
Are you pooping kidding me?
Only thing larger than his name is wingspan
Did you
as he
hear that?
knocks that one away.
Okay, was it 3rd and 5? I could get field goal and cut it to 7, so I gotta be
So
careful.
you're gonna do the out.
Not much sense.
Here it comes, I'm ready. 1.
Wait.
Except for I'm in 2x2, so I don't
Here's Ryan.
roll out. We're gonna run for it.
To his left.
We're gonna juke.
Ooh!
The
How did you not fumble?
first at the 12.
No. Wait, what? That's inches.
Beautiful.
That's
Matt Ryan
inches.
is made to run.
No,
Well,
he.
there's another before. Oh, I need to start. I think I scored twice.
No, booty. But you wasted time out last quarter.
There we go. And boom!
You wasted time out last quarter.
I did. Oh, because I did. You gotta be honest about it.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got down to 3.
Okay, game on. Don't go anywhere yet. You got a 1-score game now.
You think like in football, like they wait. Oh, you're not ready yet.
Yeah.
Let me sit here while your team prepares themselves.
Yeah.
That's what I do with my team. Let's wait for the other guy.
Yeah.
I didn't get an onside kick. That's okay though. You have to throw a Hail Mary, so I have a chance to kick it to intercept it. You can't run the clock. So
Daddy, if you didn't also kick an air cover, like that would be better for your
This will
position.
be taken about the 12.
You have to have all the time.
yeah.
Then he'll take this
Oh,
across the
Coverage.
25.
White shirts. Andrew.
I got to 27.
All right. So I've got to get an interception.
Back out on the field now comes the
life.
New Orleans offense. And checking the
Madden.
timeouts, they do have 2 defensively, but no real need
Yeah.
to use them as
But hey, we got this is some drama though. This we got an interesting game for all of our 46 subscribers.
Oh, I thought we had to.
We got another one.
By the tight end Cook. Give him
No!
What are you going down to?
I like the design of that play, or shall I say, the
Second.
way it ended up. Quarterback
That's
ends
good.
up
First,
to the right
cover 4,
side,
drop, contain.
left
I'm
side of the
the
pocket.
player
What
running.
about the tight end
Well,
staying in his
that's good.
sideline and getting to that same part of the field, and they find each
Hey.
other.
Nope.
inside the 35.
Oh! 87 is the player of the game. He's killing.
That's what Mike Evans always says.
And that touchdown should make you feel comfortable.
So I really have no chance. Well, very little
Now
chance.
the attention on
But
the
we're gonna go ahead and try to
trailing in this one now. A little under
Is that what you're doing?
Yes.
It's certainly a tough situation on the road.
You too.
Two scores to stay alive in the playoffs.
One deep.
as they
And you're
come
gonna
up
get
first.
Get rid of this guy.
He's gonna let
Oh.
it fly. And nearly another interception.
Ooh.
They've been around the ball all game.
This defense was definitely alert to the
I'm getting
possibility of the
into
deep
it.
ball, and they were more than ready for it.
They've got the lead, fourth
Yay.
quarter. Maybe
That's how it's done, son.
Now it's done.
Yeah. You're totally.
That's right. I broke the rules. I didn't do it yet.
It's Freeman.
Daddy cheated.
I was just trying to do something that wasn't.
The Falcons gonna use
Mommy, Dad cheated.
clock
Uh-huh.
stops with 23 seconds to go.
I'm the one that's behind. How's that doing me any good?
You're lucky you didn't fumble.
It almost backfired. Like a team there. Guy's open, so I can get it to him.
I picked it.
You got it back.
Oh, dang it. That was a
He got
really,
way late.
that was a really good.
He got the ball way too
No
late.
interception. He did not keep the feet in bounds.
That was a really good eat.
So that's just going to be an incompletion.
Use your play like you're most good at yourself.
Yeah, I covered. I wasn't covering him, and then I went to cover him.
Yeah, no. Alright.
It's better for you.
It's not better. Get him down. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm a J!
Last play of the game. Well,
Not really.
we're close, but in the end,
You lost.
same result as
Not very surprising. Wait, I want to watch the animations where everyone's.
35 now as they come up on first and 10.
That's my goal line against you. And knocked it down!
Breeze. And it's not
Couldn't even put it in this goal line.
complete.
Well, I didn't see that.
My linebacker.
Deion Jones.
Alright, here we go. You're gonna do this.
I heard it. Doing my bullets.
Do
So
this.
now second and 10 after the incompletion on first down. Breeze is looking
Got
to
guys, man. We got guys there.
He's going to move this thing out deep.
87! 87! 87!
I tried.
87!
Still failed. See you next time.